While SolarWinds Backup is great for file and folder level recovery, it's also great for bare metal recovery. I'm going to show you how to do that in 5 easy steps. From your Backup and Recovery console, go over to Downloads, and under Bare Metal Recovery, select your deployment mechanism, be it executable or ISO. For this example, I'll be using the ISO because I can boot from a CD. When you boot the machine, you're presented with the Bare Metal Restore menu. We're going to go ahead and select 0 to launch the Backup Manager. Select your language, insert the device name and password, and then finally enter the security code. From the Backup Manager overview, select Restore. You're already selected for Bare Metal Recovery. Pick the time and date. Check the data to recover, and hit Restore. And then finally confirm. Once the restore is kicked off, you actually get a progress bar. Once your bare metal recovery is complete, then you can go back into the operating system and do further restores of files and folders. And that's it. Your server or workstation is back online through a bare metal recovery. Now, if you want to recover additional files and folders, just go ahead and recover them using the traditional process. For more information, visit SolarWindsMSP.com.